In this video, you will learn a new meaning of the Japanese particle, no. This particle can be used to indicate the doer of an action, that is, the nominative case, just like the particle ga. One important difference from ga, however, is that no is used only in relative clauses. For instance, while you can say Ken ga Hanako o koroshita, you cannot say Ken no Hanako o koroshita because no in the latter sentence is not used in a relative clause. No in this case would be interpreted as the genitive case marker as explained in the previous episode. In other words, Ken no Hanako would mean Ken's Hanako, and the subject of the sentence would be missing. Now, let's have a look at some examples to see how the nominative no is used. Sakura no saku kisetsu. Sakura no saku kisetsu. The season of cherry blossoms, or more literally, the season in which cherry trees blossom. In this noun phrase, the head noun kisetsu, season, is modified by the relative clause sakura no saku. In this relative clause, the particle no indicates the nominative case. That is, the noun sakura, cherry trees, is the doer of the blossoming action. This no is interchangeable with ga, as in sakura ga saku kisetsu. 自分の殺した人の顔を覚えていない。自分の殺した人の顔を覚えていない。I don't remember the face of the person I killed. In this sentence, the noun 人 person is modified by the relative clause 自分の殺した whom I killed. Once again, the particle の indicates that 自分 I is the doer of the killing action, and this の is interchangeable with が. In the next episode, you will learn yet another meaning of the particle の